think I'm a motorcycle club member or I'll ever be a motorcycle club member or ever try to be a motorcycle club member? What do you think? I have nothing to do with those. I don't like motorcycle driving. I have never done that way that I like it. I have driven motorcycle, but I don't like it. So how can I be a motorcycle club member or ever try to be a motorcycle club member because I I don't like to drive motorcycles. On the other hand, I don't have a driver's license anymore. The title Tempelknight comes from Creator. It says so, personally, to me. It has nothing to do with temple lords in history. They were idiots. I'm not like them. I have